We are here at the closure meeting of the IPC project Transition to Plant Proteins. Plant proteins, protein transition. 2 years ago, when this project started here in Wageningen at Foodvalley, protein transition was something of the future. Something that may or may not going to happen. And now we're 2 years ahead, 2019. And thanks to the performance, the new products, concepts, ingredients developed by these 13 companies and of course others, the protein transition is no longer something of the future. It is something that is happening right now. Thank you also for that, RVO Nederland.
We participate in Foodvalley. It's because we think if we put the forces together with different companies, then we can get more things done. Different companies that work on these projects are Oya and Botanic Bites and of course Dutch Soy. And what we're trying to achieve is that to get more soya cultivated in the Netherlands and used in the Netherlands as well in different products. We started with dry soybeans also with Oya, but on the way we found out that maybe the fresh soybeans could be very good business as well. And of course it would be very nice, you know, this is good business. We think it's a good business not only for Dutch Soy and for Oya and for Botanic Bites, but also for the farmers and everything in the chain. I think everybody can gain some profit from it. So it will be a very nice project in the near future to see how things are working out. But we think we can actually achieve 100 hectares next year. So we're really into the lift.
My company Dutch Wheat Burger was part of the IPC project, specifically focusing on the use of microalgae and macroalgae. We've been working on new products containing those new green resources in order to make the market ready, and serve them with positive change, with green proteins that are future-proof. Yeah, I really enjoyed working together with both suppliers and other specialists in the project. Really gained on knowledge on how to use the product in the best way, but also working with new stakeholders and broadening my network. So I'm definitely gonna use it, and we've got some new products out there that are really gonna change the game for sure.
Thanks to IPC, we were able to start up our company Tutti Piatti, and we were able to develop 3 different tastes. Tutti Piatti, which is full meal ice cream with a lot of vegetable protein and fibers in it.
And the most important thing, the taste is great, so try it.
We participated in the Foodvalley project because it was a great opportunity to get to work very close with other colleagues who have other expertise. Botanic Bites developed 3 prototype products so far. We have falafel made from fresh edamame, and we made from the product of Oya these mince balls, meatballs, and we made with seaweed these bites. Both of the products are you can eat cold, so you don't have to warm it up. It's a snack. It has a great impact on the business because we had the opportunity and the time to experience with products of other companies, and we could make a lot of time to really try a lot of different things. So we have a few new lines for new products, and they're definitely in the pipeline to be released in the future.
We started to work with IPC for the connection, for the network, to know more people in the field, and to work with our green protein. We worked together with To Be Different because we thought the connection between the fiber in the oats and the protein in the hemp seeds will be a good combination. The result of our project together was a nice hemp oats bar. So we know now that hemp works in the practical aspect of it. Our hemp seeds are, the taste is less bitter. We made it less bitter with our special treatment, and this is how you can apply our hemp seeds in every food product you want. Yeah, so we see a great future for the hemp protein because the taste is milder and the results for example, baking are way better, and it will be the new protein for the future.
The reason why we joined the Foodvalley project is to broaden our network, to get more insights of the growth of soybeans in the Netherlands, enlarge that expertise, but also set up a chain to, in the end, have our own supply of Dutch soybeans. As a result, we created a vegan chicken chunk based with 30% of Dutch soy in the product. For the future, we're aiming to do 100% Dutch soybean-based chicken chunk. So for us, it was really important to smaller footprint, get closer to the producer, and understand more of the process. In the end, be less independent of the big soybean producers.
We built same with Meatless, the producent of rice flakes and other products. We built some machine for the food company. We have some drying operations on a belt with air blowing. We put the water off of the flakes before it's going into the dryer. It's better for the flakes. We hope that that project we find some more companies to make machinery for the protein industry.
This IPC project was one of the first actions by the protein cluster, which was also founded in 2017. We've learned a lot along these 2 years. Amongst others, the way of cooperation between especially SME companies. The protein cluster has in the meantime grown to more than 40 participants, and I invite everybody to join the protein cluster and to work together, to keep on working together in accelerating the protein transition.